Hello, little readers. Today we're going to read Richard Scarry's Splish-Splash Sounds. There is no school today. Mother Cat has many little helpers. What a busy house! What a noisy house! Mother Cat sent her children to the park to play with their friends. What a busy, noisy playground! Mr. Pig has finished his snack at the cafe. Zzz, zzz, he snores as he takes a nap. He must be a very tired pig to sleep through all the noise of this busy little town. The marching band parades through town. Bang, boom, toot, pip, ping. The townspeople shout and clap with delight. Hurrah! Hooray! What wonderful music! The animals in the zoo make many different sounds. Ugh, ugh, says the gorilla to the visitors. Arf, arf, says the sea lion, thanking his keeper for dinner. Beep, says the tugboat as it pulls a barge through the harbor. Ooga, boo, bip, bip, bip. The other boats reply as they say, hello, nice to see you. The farmyard can be a very noisy place. Put, put, goes Farmer Bear's tractor as he plows the field. The ducklings swim in the pond. Peep, peep, follow the leader. Baa, says the lamb as it runs to mother sheep. Farmer Bear and his friends are building a new barn. How busy and noisy they are as they chop and saw wood, paint, hammer nails, and mix cement. What fun everyone has when they go to the beach. Huckle is building a big castle. Flossie is building a little castle. Sploosh, splash, go the petals as Wiggles and Nicky race along. The snow has fallen. The ice is smooth. The children are having such fun playing winter games. Oh, what a wonderful place to have a picnic. Ma Pig has put the food on a tablecloth. Mr. Fox is cooking hot dogs. Babykins is happy making mud pies. Oh dear, Squeaky and Hilda ate too much. Now they feel quite sleepy. Have a nice nap, Hilda. Sleep tight, Squeaky. The end. For more stories, please subscribe to our channel, Little Readers.